Hey, stop scrolling. Got belly fat that just won't go away? Try these 15 quick moves and start burning fat today. First up, jumping jacks. 3 sets. Let's get that heart pumping. Next, high knees. Lift those knees high and feel the burn. Now squats. Down and up. Squeeze those legs. Time for lunges. Step forward and power through. Let's climb. Mountain climbers, move fast and fire up that core. Hold strong. Plank time. Your core is working now. Crunch and twist with bicycle crunch. Feel that belly burn. Keep going with leg raises. Lift those legs and tighten your core. Twist left, twist right. Russian twists. Don't stop now. Flutter kicks, small kicks, big burn. Standing side crunch. Elbow to knee. Squeeze. Run it out with butt kicks. Feel the cardio boost. Balance up for side leg raises. Tone those legs. Lie down and lift up for glute bridge. Squeeze those glutes. Final move, burpees. Jump strong and finish powerful. Awesome work. Do this routine daily to burn belly fat faster, and don't forget to follow for more quick fat burning workouts.